What is up, guys? So, Instagram decided to lock my other account, so I was forced to create a new one. I've been fighting with them for a couple of days, so if you guys wonder why there is a new Mud and Dust Media account, that's the reason why. So please come on to this page, give us a follow, and let's start building again. Thanks.
Alrighty, so last week I went to Mamarock for a little training ride with Clayton Codd, and at the beginning of the ride I decided to throw the GoPro on the chest strap again. I adjusted it a little bit higher and got it into a better position, and I really feel that the footage comes out a lot better. Yeah, if you're sitting down you can't really see that much, but if you're standing up the footage is a lot smoother and you can see a lot more of the action that's going on the bike. So if you guys like it, well, I'm going to be running it in races anyway, because having a GoPro strapped to your helmet, all that extra weight over a long race really stuffs up your neck. So I'm going to be running the chest mount for the races anyways. But if you guys think it's a cool point of view, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you guys.
Down. Okay. That's pretty naughty. Oh boy. Hashtag boys self shout out. We're checking on Instagram, _C43. You know how this goes. Training Rick a bit. Go, 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 go! I didn't grip the bike back hard enough. Oh, I'm gonna try again. close enough for me.